Hey guys, welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Today we've got a very cool product. It is a computer mouse that has a pretty large spider in it, and it also has red, green, and blue multicolor LEDs inside of it. It's a really cool product. We'll take a look and I'll do a full review. Alright guys, so I'm not unboxing this product because I actually already had it. I did not purchase it online. I actually got it at a festival up in Georgia a while ago. So it's definitely been working for me for a while. It's a very nice mouse. First look, you've obviously got your plastic. The clicking is very nice, very prompt there. You don't have to worry about pressing in too far. You know, you got that trigger finger. It's got your scrolling wheel that also clicks. Right here is where you could see through to the infrared thing. I don't know what kind of sensor that is, to be honest. This is clear. I'm pretty sure it's some sort of acrylic, and inside of it is the spider, and you could also see it from the bottom there. So the cord is, you know, a decent length. You've got your USB, your standard USB. It's not wireless, but the awesome nature of this mouse is what really creates the impact. It doesn't even have to be wireless. This can be purchased on Amazon for, I think, less than $20. I'm gonna pop the link down in the description. I don't think it's the exact same mouse, but is a very similar mouse that has the same kind of spider deal with the same kind of lighting effect. So let's take a look at the way the multicolor LEDs work with this mouse. Alright, here we go. It's the initial plug-in here. Boom. It's in, and it is changing colors. And it changes colors by itself. It transitions nice and slowly from one color to the next, as you can see. You can see it from the bottom. The lights are, you know, very bright. It looks really cool at night. You could see the light sensor for the motion of the mouse. And the mouse, as a mouse, it actually does work very well. Nice and controlled. There's no skipping going on. It works, you know, like your average mouse, I would say. But the way that spider looks in there is just beautiful. Just look at that spider. It is so nice. It is such a nice spider. Such a nice mouse. Nice effect going on. It's really something nice, I would say. Alright guys, thanks for watching this episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This mouse is a very nice product. It's a nice little accessory to have when you're doing computer stuff. Plug it into your laptop. It definitely gets a lot of looks. I've had plenty of compliments when I take it out into public. People love the way this mouse looks. It's got a realistic aspect, because I'm pretty sure that spider is real. It's just something that's appealing to a lot of people. I'll put that link down in the description to get this product. Go ahead and click that like button if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, and don't get shot.